Welcome to our channel. We congratulate you to take this good decision to do training with us. You are in the right professional place who commit to give you the full benefits until you are fully trained as professional user of Primavera P6. If you are watching the short video with the same title, it is for promoting only. It includes short samples of the main video. The full video is for members only. However, all members' videos will be free for the first week of releasing. After that, they are for members only. Because the search in YouTube and Google, we are cycling some videos to be open few days between time and time. So visit the channel to check if you can't afford to be a member. Our membership fees start from $1.5 Australian dollar, about $1.1 US. Our membership fees can be cancelled any time. You might try it for a month only. Watch all videos included in the membership and cancel it afterwards. Based on the membership, you can get files related to the video, support through chat and emails, and even training one-to-one online. Get the full benefits of the training and raise up your skills with us through membership. You can translate this video to any language you want using YouTube Translator for the subtitle. Understanding importing and exporting projects in Primavera P6, as well as to integrate with other third-party tools. Microsoft Project XML format enables you to share information with Microsoft Project 2007, 2010, and 2013. UN Cefact Schema XML files enable you to export information to organizations that require UN Cefact format, such as the Defense Contract Management Agency, DMCA. IMDA files enable you to export information to organizations that require IMDA format. Now let's do an actual example of importing. Create new file. Go File, New, then change the name to Import Training, then click Finish. No need to change. Tip: you can just choose any project in Project Name cells and use Ctrl+F to find the project. Click Ctrl+F, write Nesbit and click Find Next. Right-click on Nesbit project and choose Open. Go File, Export, the exporting wizard. Tip: the projects showing here are the open projects. If you have more than one project opened, it will show here. You choose to export